This poet captured hearts in just 30 seconds. In a world full of noise, one voice breaks through, a poet whose words dance like fireflies in the night, weaving stories that connect us all. But here's the shocker. This poet writes from his own concerns, pain, and struggle, sharing truths that sting but heal. Deep in the city's shadows, he finds beauty in despair, turning broken dreams into unforgettable verses. That's when the light bulb goes off. Poetry is not just art, it's a lifeline for many, a refuge. Every stanza offers a glimpse into the raw human experience, painted with emotions that resonate long after the last word is read. Then comes the pivotal moment. This poet unexpectedly begins to involve his audience, creating a community for other aspiring voices. Suddenly, the street corners echo with diverse stories, each one a unique thread in a vibrant tapestry. As more people join in, the impact multiplies. Forgotten stories are lifted from the shadows. And amidst this wave of creativity, one fact shines. Poetry can spark revolutions of the heart. In an age where social media can numb us, these words embrace vulnerability and authenticity. The final reveal? This poet's mission transcends personal catharsis. It's about igniting hope and inspiring change. Meet the poet, someone who believes that through poetry, we not only discover ourselves but also each other.